Stop scrolling. This tuna melt panini is about to make your regular sandwich feel unemployed. Grab one 5-ounce can of tuna and drain it really well, like press it out. Drop it into a bowl and stir in 3 tablespoons of mayo until it turns creamy. Now add 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard for that little grown-up kick, then hit it with 1 tablespoon of chopped pickles or relish. If you want it extra bright, add 1 teaspoon of pickle juice or lemon juice, just enough to wake the whole thing up. Now for the crunch crew, 1 tablespoon finely diced celery and 1 tablespoon finely diced red onion, sprinkle in a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, add black pepper and mix. Taste it first, then decide if it needs salt. Don't just throw salt in there on autopilot because pickles already showed up salty and loud. Now grab your panini bread, 2 big slices for 1 sandwich. Spread half the tuna salad on the inside of 1 slice. Then lay 2 slices of Munster cheese side by side on top of the tuna because this bread is big and we're covering the whole thing. Close it up with the second slice, buttered side out. Spread a thin layer of butter or mayo on the outside of the bread so it crisps up like it's supposed to. Press it in a hot panini press for about 4 to 6 minutes until the bread is deep golden and the Munster is melted all the way through. Let it rest for 1 minute before slicing. Cut too early and your cheese will slide out like it just got caught cheating. Slice it, pull it apart, and enjoy that crispy tuna melt panini moment. Mini soul snack. Stop waiting to feel ready. Ready is a feeling and feelings are flaky. Do the work while you're unsure, tired, or busy. Confidence shows up after you prove to yourself you don't quit. For the full written recipe with exact measurements and all the details, visit kelvinskitchen.com.